Welcome to the Vuolearning online learning environment. In this video, we will introduce the platform's 4 achievement types and give examples on how to use them. There are 4 different achievement types on the platform: achievement, milestone, task list, and conversation notes. These tools can be used for many purposes such as competence development. Achievements are created and managed in the platform's Achievements tab. Create a new achievement by clicking on Create Achievement. First, name the achievement and choose the achievement type. You can utilize the achievement, for example, for marking down external trainings. These trainings can include first aid courses, occupational safety cards, hot work licenses, or online courses purchased from somewhere else. The users can acquire competencies from completing an achievement, and you can also allow users to download a certificate of the completion. You can also define an expiration date for the certificate and send automatic reminders about the expiration. Milestones help to recognize the employee's everyday achievements. With this tool, you can make the employee's skills and progress more visible and give credit on their successes. Milestones can include, for example, certain milestones related to the employee's tasks, such as first deal for a salesperson. Other examples include, for example, first independent shift, finalizing a project, or learning to use a certain tool. Task lists are lists of tasks that can easily be marked as done. Each task automatically saves the name of the person who marked the task done and when. With task lists, you can make sure that all the planned tasks are completed. Task lists also help the organizations to unify their processes. You can use this tool for to-do lists, like things to do during the onboarding process, or how to use a certain machine or a software. You can use a task list as a template for other task lists, and this way create more systematic procedures for the company. With conversation notes, you can create lists of questions and write down notes from conversations. The tool helps organizations to create a more systematic and structured way of conducting discussions. You can use the conversation notes for different discussions, such as feedback discussions or career development discussions. The notes will be visible to the superadmins, the achievements admins, and the users themselves, and possibly the users' supervisors. You can use the conversation notes as a template for other discussions. You can link the achievements as steps in the learning paths. This way, the users in the path will automatically be added to the achievement. The completion will have to be added by the admin or the users themselves. All the achievement types can also be linked to calendar events. This way, the users in the event will be added to the linked achievement. The achievement admins and the supervisors added to the achievement can add completions to the users. It's also possible to allow the users to add the completion by themselves or then request completion. The user can have multiple completions of one achievement. This is useful, for example, for trainings that need to be renewed every year. The user can track their own achievements and their status by choosing My Achievements in the platform's Achievements tab. The achievements are also visible in the Achievements view in the user's profile page.